We are pleased to show you the 2022 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find Bluetooth, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.